Before.
Hey guys, so today I'm going to do slime videos.
From up here again.
He never came on this YouTube channel, so it's his first time. Still, I'm gonna play with some slime. Yes, it is. I ain't post no videos of you on my YouTube channel. This is your first time. So I'm gonna be playing with my slime. So I got 2 slimes as of right now because I had other ones. Okay, so I have this slime. I put some sand in it from my LOL surprise dolls because like I had got some LOL surprise dolls for Christmas, and I brought this slime with me from Vegas because I used to live in Vegas, and so I had brought this slime and it was so much smaller, and so I had got this. I had put the sand from out of here, hold on. From out of the LOL surprise dolls. Take from out of here, and I put it in my slime. Sorry for the background because my cousin's playing my game. He's playing my Fortnite. And if you didn't go watch that Fortnite video, go watch it. Hold on, wait, that's sad.
It should be popping up.
And yeah, got it from my LOL surprise. I was like, why not? I don't want to put it in my Halloween slime because my Halloween slime is already big as it is. So I just decided to put it in here. And then...
We're done.
Shh. Pistol don't do anything. And so this is it. It has beads in it and stuff like... On the camera, it may look blue, but it's actually teal. It's actually teal in reality. I have blue and green glitter with silver glitter. And then I just have these little blue beads with sand in it, so and then it just looks like I got silver beads in here, but it's actually the sand.
Oh, go take out her Snapchat. Do you have Snapchat?
Yes, I have a Snapchat, but
Go take it out.
I'm not even popping right now. You gotta hold on.
No,
because I'm gonna learn how to edit. I got a computer. I'm gonna learn how to edit so I can put it down below over there on my video. And this is my Halloween slime. I love it because look how glittery it is. And these, I just put them in there because it looked like eyes. And this is one of my best slimes. Like, and like I used to run a slime shop, so like I'm a professional at this stuff. So this Halloween slime was based on my brother. Kidding. It smacks perfectly. This is one of the things that I like about it. And it's made out of clear glue. And so what's all in my slime is it's brown glitter with blue.
Oh, tell her we live in Paris. Yeah, this kid, one of them live in Paris. So my friend Alexa, she moved at our school.
I don't care.
No!
They don't need to know where I live. That's how somebody kidnapped me, dang.
They don't know.
He little. My cousin is 9, so he doesn't know anything like that.
I'm in the 3rd grade.
Yeah, he's in the 3rd grade. I'm in the 6th. It's just that I'm short. Because my mama's short. He's taller than me, even though he's in the 3rd grade.
Yeah, I'm taller because my dad's tall.
Oh, my eyes hurt. Because, like, I got poked in the eye earlier today while I was playing Fortnite. Because I got mad. Because I was like, wow, the controller hit me in my eye. So my eye hurt now. Okay. And back to my... Back to my slime. I have brown glitter, I have gold glitter in it, and I got silver glitter. And these beads that I have in my slime right now, hold on, let me get it out of the slime so you can see it clearly. They used to be brown beads. They used to be brown, but they turned black because of the slime. So I had mixed my food coloring up together, which I lost my food coloring, sadly. And I had all slime. I had a lot of slime. But I used to run a slime business. So like, yeah. I love this slime so much. So.
We're about to die.
And when I get my allowance, I'm gonna buy more slime stuff so I can make some more. And I'm gonna record it. And go check out my TikTok. I will leave it in the description down below. And go check out my Snapchat. I will leave it in the description down below. So, yeah. If you want to buy some of my slime, it's on Amazon. It is on Amazon. I used to sell slime. But yeah, if you want to buy some of my slime, it is on Amazon. I am making more. By making more, I mean like when I go to the store.
Wait, what's your like?
And guess what? Stay tuned for more videos because guess what? Guess what's coming up out here where I live? Five Below. And you know when it's Five Below, you get toys from $5 and under. And my allowance be $20. So with that being said, I'm going to buy some squishies. I got some squishies for my birthday. And I really like them. So I'm going to do another video on that. And then when Five Below come, I'm going to take y'all with me as I go shopping for it. For some stuff. So,
I got a sniper.
yeah. And I'm going to change, so like... Here goes my slime. I'm going to do a close-up. Hey, cuz.
What?
In a minute, you're going to video record me, okay? So, like, after I'm done with this video, I'm going to make another slime video of these.
Kid.
Yeah, but you're going to be in some of it sometimes. And, ooh.
So
Hey, do I got slime in my hair?
Huh?
Do I got slime in my hair?
No.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, you have a little...
Get it. It's going to get stuck in my hair. Get it.
Got it.
No, you didn't.
I know how to get it. Look.
Okay. Thank you. So yeah, I'm gonna do another video of the smacking,
What is
of the
red
poking,
dots? What's the red dots?
the enemies.
They changed it?
Yeah.
I got
Oh, snipe the yellow people that don't have arrows. What you see where that red dot is? Snipe them. Snipe them. Snipe them.
Yeah.
You suck. Snipe them. There's two of them. Oh my gosh, y'all. Sorry. Y'all can't be seeing me argue. Like, I get irritated real quick. But therefore, yeah. So, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more fun videos, family videos, slime videos, shopping videos. All videos, basically. And next Tuesday, probably, or not. Just stay tuned because I'm going to be video recording me doing an SMM. Don't you do that. I'm gonna be doing that. Don't open that. Stop. I'm gonna be video recording an SMMR, or however you pronounce it. I love those
no, I'm
videos.
gonna die.
Stop touching it. Y'all, hold on. I can't have y'all seeing me argue, so I'm gonna just end the video right now. Well, I'll beat somebody up. Stop. On his arm. His mom said I could. Okay, well, that being said, bye. Stay tuned for more videos. Peace.
You show me. Bye.
Peace.